First frog fish of the year, baby. Choked it. Choked it. That's a nice one. Look at that froggy. It's a solid one. Let me, geez Louise. It's a solid one. Nice 2 pound, 2 or 3 pounder. 2 or 3 pounder. Let me get a breath. I was gonna take a picture with you. What's going on, Fredsters? Welcome back to another fun day fishing with Fred. Super excited. I haven't been to the spot we're about to fish in a really long time. It's the same place where I drug a hole in my kayak, and that's why I wanted to get wheels for my kayak so we can actually fish this spot again from the kayak. Because I fished here one time on the kayak and we had to drag it and almost sank my kayak. But I am excited. We got here, the truck made it. It's about an hour, a little over an hour drive, and I'm excited. I don't know what the water looks like. I don't know how the vegetation's doing. Algae might have been blooming, but I got my first frog bite yesterday, and I'm excited. So sick. So sick. Look how gorgeous this is. This is awesome. This water's so clean right here. It's gorgeous. It made it. Ton of baby bluegill. This place is gonna be awesome. That's a spot. Oh, cool. I didn't really want to handle that guy anyway. So that's my first fish that I had hook up, and I've been fishing for a little while trying to figure something out. But it's been pretty slow. Thrown a jig, I've thrown the underspin. I got one bite on the underspin, and now I'm throwing the jerk bait. That was a little spotted bass. I didn't know there were spots actually in here in the pond, but that's pretty cool. Fredsters, heading to this little island out here, and I've had my heart broken about 2 times on this island. I broke off on a frog one day, broke off another time. There's a giant living on this little island here, and we're gonna see if we can catch him today. Starting off with top water so I don't disturb nothing. Oh, one just hit it right there. One just went up and nosed it right now. There's like birds that nest in this, and I'm thinking there's a bird eater here, and that's why he kind of hangs out in this one area. I think it's a big bass, like a real nice one. There we go. Hey, sorry, bud. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Alright, there we go, first fish in the boat. Definitely a post spawner, look how skinny that dude is. But I found a little rock pile right under me, and that's what that fish just came off of. I've been fishing the bank because that's usually where these fish hang out here, and I haven't had no luck. It's been kind of weird, kind of unmotivating as well, but we're starting to figure something out. Found these rocks out here. See if we can drop back down there and see if there's another one there. Big one over there. Big one, big one, big one. Oh my god. That was a big one. Big one. Right underneath me. I was reeling in to cast back. That made my heart jump, dude. I got a lucky skill on there. Holy crap. That was fun. Dang it. I don't know how he came unhooked. Alright, they're eating the frog. Alright, Fredsters, off the water. Have you guys ever had a day where you think you're just gonna have an amazing day and it turns out to be the total opposite? That's kind of what happened out here today. It was a pretty tough day. I think I got like 5 bites and landed 2 or 3 fish. And I don't know, they got the post-spawn funk going on or something. At least we got some strikes on the frog. It's really hot, and I'm gonna head out. Been out here for about 6 hours, and time to go. See you guys next time. Have fun, catch fish.